Before we touch any setup, see the finished output. 1 Google Sheet row. Brief. Summer AI Tools Sale. 30% off. 72-hour flash. Top left, Instagram. Brand gradient. Headline. 30% off every AI productivity tool. Top right, LinkedIn. Blue verified post. Hook. I cut my marketing asset time from 4 hours to 90 seconds. 5-slide carousel attached. Bottom left, MailChimp email. Subject in 47 characters. 30% off the stack everyone's quietly switching to. Yellow banner below, bottom right, Slack, aubergine theme. Hashtag marketing channel. Zapier bot alert. Campaign ready, 3 Canva designs. Reply check mark to publish. 5 numbers. 90 seconds from sheet to published. For assets per trigger. $1.41 per campaign. 99.6% cheaper than manual. 0 designers needed. I'm Dr. Ibrar Ahmed. Today, Claude writes the copy. Canva fills the templates. Zapier connects everything. 27 slides. Every connection. Every prompt. Every API call. Every error fix. Look at the output. Now we build it, step by step. 1 straight pipeline. For hops, hop 1 trigger. Google Sheets, RSS, or webhook. Hop 2 Claude. Zapier sends a structured prompt. Claude returns 1 JSON response with copy for every channel. Hop 3 Canva. Zapier calls the autofill API. 3 templates fill, Instagram, LinkedIn, email banner. Hop 4 Publish. Zapier pushes to LinkedIn, MailChimp, and Slack. Same 4 hops, every zap, every campaign, every product. Memorize this pipeline. Everything that follows is a detail of one of these 4 steps. For outputs from 1 zap. Instagram. Square 1080 by 1080. Branded headline overlay. Brand kit colors and fonts. Caption with hashtags. LinkedIn carousel, 5 slides. Hook on slide 1. 3 points on slides 2 through 4. CTA on slide 5. Email banner. 1200 by 600. Personalized subject. Preview text. Slack alert. Internal team announcement. Links to all 3 Canva designs. Approval request. Change the trigger and the entire pipeline adapts. Product launch, newsletter, event promo. 2 routes through this tutorial. Same destination, different velocity, beginner path. If this is your first AI automation, watch slides 5 through 14 in order. You'll have a live 4-channel pipeline by the time slide 14 ends. About 25 minutes of watching plus 25 of building. Advanced path. Already running zaps in production? Skip to slide 15. That's where the production hardening starts. Prompt tips, error handling, brand consistency, multi-language, AI/B testing, paths, scheduling, cost. About 12 minutes total. Pick your speed. The deck handles both. For tabs, 5 minutes of signups. Anthropic API key, console.anthropic.com. Zapier account, free tier covers testing. Canva Pro, required for the autofill API, set up your brand kit. 1 content source, a Google Sheet, an RSS feed, or a webhook URL. Pricing details on slide 21. Skip the worry for now. Get the tabs open and come back. 2 connections. In Zapier, click Apps. Search Anthropic Claude. Sign in. Paste your API key. Search Canva. Click Connect. OAuth opens. Authorize. Token saves automatically. Both connections are now available in any Zap. You only do this once. Test each connection with Zapier's built-in test action. If it fails, usually a missing scope on Canva. Reconnect and grant brand templates permission. The trigger. Most flexible option. Google Sheets, new row. Create a sheet with columns. Campaign _ name, brief, audience, tone, campaign _ type, language. 6 columns. Connect the sheet. Test the trigger. Zapier pulls the latest row. Verify every field maps. Alternatives. RSS for blog automation. Webhook for product launches. Scheduled by Zapier for recurring campaigns. Same pipeline. Different starting point. The prompt is the most important part of this entire build. You are a senior marketing copywriter. Given a campaign brief, generate copy for 4 channels. Return only valid JSON. Instagram, headline of 8 words max, caption under 150 words. 10 relevant hashtags. LinkedIn, opening line that stops the scroll, 3-point body, clear CTA. Email, subject under 50 characters, preview text, banner headline. Slack, 2-sentence summary, link button. Structured JSON output means 0 parsing. Zapier reads each field directly. No regex. No string splitting. Get this prompt right once. Reuse forever. Webhooks by Zapier. Post to the Anthropic Messages API. URL, api.anthropic.com/v1/messages. 3 headers, XAPI key, Anthropic version 2023-06, 1-01, content type application/JSON. Body, model Claude, Sonnet, 4-6, max tokens 2048, messages array with the prompt content. Cost per run, about 0.6 cents. Add a code by Zapier step. JavaScript. Parse the raw body. Extract content index 0 text. Parse that text as JSON. Return 11 variables, IG_headline, IG_caption, IG_hashtags, Lee opening line, Lee body, Lee CTA, email subject, email preview, email headline, Slack summary, Slack link text. 11 variables. Available to every downstream step. 3 templates. Instagram, 1080 by 1080. Add a text element. Name it headline. Add another, name it body. Use brand kit colors and fonts. LinkedIn, 1200 by 628. Multi-page. Slide 1, opening_line. Slides 2 through 4._1, ._2, ._3. Slide 5 CTA. Email, 1200 by 600. Subject element, headline element. 1 critical rule. Name elements exactly, headline, opening_line. Subject. The API matches by name. Off by 1 character, and the autofill silently skips. The Canva autofill API. Post to api.canva.com/rest/v1/autofills. Bearer token. Body, brand_template_ID from the template URL. Data object maps placeholder names to Claude-generated copy. Title the design with campaign name plus date. 1 call per template. 3 calls per campaign. Canva returns a job_ID. Pull the autofills endpoint until status equals success. Then grab edit_URL and view_URL. 5 to 15 seconds per design. Use Zapier's loop until or a 30-second delay. 3 publish steps. LinkedIn. Action. Create share update. Paste the opening line plus body plus CTA. Attach the Canva design URL. Schedule for optimal posting time. Email. MailChimp create campaign. Subject from email_subject. Preview from email_preview. Banner from Canva. HTML template fills automatically. Slack. Send message. Channel hashtag marketing. Message. Summary plus all 3 Canva links plus a review and approve button. 1 row in, 90 seconds out, every channel published. Steps. Trigger from Google Sheets. Claude API call. Parse JSON in a code step. 3 Canva autofill calls, 1 per template. Publish to LinkedIn, email, Slack. Final Slack notification with the campaign report. Total cost, under 5 cents per campaign. Total time, 60 to 90 seconds. Versus 2 to 4 hours manually. 100 campaigns a month equals $5 in API costs. Same quality. 0 designer bottleneck. 5 rules. Each one dramatically improves output. 1. Specify audience and tone in the brief. B2B SaaS founders. Conversational but authoritative produces better copy than generic write something good. 2. Give Claude character limits per field. Headline max 8 words. Caption max 150 words. Canva templates have fixed text boxes. Overflow breaks the design. 3. Include brand voice examples. 2 or 3 example sentences. We sound like this. We never say that. 4. Request JSON only. End the prompt with return only valid JSON. No markdown fences, no explanation. Prevents parse failures. 5. Add fallback copy in Zapier. Filter step. If Claude's response is empty or malformed, use pre-written fallback. Never publish blank assets. For failure modes. 1. Claude returns invalid JSON. Prompt too vague or model adds markdown fences. Fix. Add return only raw JSON, plus a code step that strips fences. 2. Canva autofill fails. Element name mismatch. Fix. Open the template, click each text element. Verify the name matches your payload. 3. Rate limit on Claude API. Too many concurrent zaps. Fix. Delay step of 5 seconds. Or upgrade your Anthropic plan. 4. Slack or LinkedIn auth expires. OAuth tokens expire after 90 days. Fix. Turn on Zapier's connection notifications. Reauthorize proactively. Automated doesn't mean generic. 3 guardrails keep every asset on brand. 1. Canva brand kit. Upload colors, fonts, logos. Every template inherits. Update the kit. Every future design updates. 2. Claude system prompt. Embed brand voice. List banned words. Spell out tone. We never use synergy, disrupt, leverage. We always lead with data and with a question. 3. Approval workflow. Send a Slack message before publishing. Reply checkmark to ship. Use Zapier paths. Approved publishes, rejected pauses. 30 seconds of human review. 0 compromise on speed. Add 1 field to your Google Sheet. Language. In the prompt, generate all copy in the language field. Maintain tone and structure. Hashtags in the target language. Keep brand names in English. Example, Summer Sale 2026. Audience, young professionals in Germany. Tone, casual, friendly. Language, German. 1 campaign, 5 languages, 20 assets. Same Zap. Claude handles translation and cultural adaptation natively. Ask Claude for 2 variants per channel. Variant A, direct and bold. Variant B, curiosity-driven and subtle. Return as a single JSON with A and B subobjects. Use Zapier paths create both Canva designs. Send variant A to half your email list. Variant B to the other half. Add UTM parameters per variant. After 48 hours, check open rates and click-throughs. Feed the winner back into your system prompt. Your prompt gets smarter every cycle. Replace the sheet trigger with Schedule by Zapier. Weekly newsletter. Every Monday at 9. Claude summarizes the week. Canva builds the banner. MailChimp sends. Daily social. Every day at 8. Claude generates a tip or stat. Canva creates an Instagram story. Buffer cues it. Monthly report. First of each month. Pull Google Analytics metrics. Claude writes a summary. Canva creates an infographic. Slack posts to hashtag leadership. Event countdown. 7 days before launch. Daily teasers. Auto-posted. Per campaign. Manual. Copywriter 2 hours at $75, 150. Designer 3 hours at $60, 180. Coordinator 1 hour at $50, 50. Total, $380. Time, 2 to 5 business days. Automated. Claude API 0.6 of a cent. Canva Pro 43 cents amortized. Zapier Pro 97 cents amortized. Total, $1.41. Time, 90 seconds. $378 saved per campaign. At 20 a month, $7,560 saved every month. Human reviews still happen. 30 seconds instead of 6 hours. 5 rules. Large text boxes. AI headlines vary in length. Make boxes 20% larger than you think. Canva auto shrinks. Name every element. Exact match to your API payload. Headline, body, CTA. Lock backgrounds. Images, gradients, logos. Only text should be unlocked. The API only replaces unlocked text. Platform-specific sizes. 1080 square for Instagram. 1200 by 628 for LinkedIn. 1200 by 600 for email. Never reuse one size. Test with extreme copy. 2-word and 20-word headlines. Both should look good. Not every campaign needs every channel. Path A, product launch. All 4 channels. Full blast. Path B, blog post. LinkedIn and email only. Path C, internal update. Slack only. How? Add a campaign_type column. Values launch, blog, internal. Zapier Paths reads the value and routes. Saves Canva credits. Prevents irrelevant Slack noise. Keeps each channel's content appropriate. One real campaign, end-to-end, sheet row. Summer AI Tools Sale. 30% off, 72-hour flash. Audience, marketing managers and solo founders. Tone, urgent but friendly. Type, launch, language, English, trigger fires. Claude generates copy for all 4 channels in 3 seconds. Canva fills 3 templates in 15 seconds. LinkedIn, email, Slack receive assets in 30 seconds. Total, 48 seconds. From sheet row to a fully published multi-channel product launch. 3 habits. Check Zapier task history weekly. Failed steps, slow API calls, malformed responses. Fix patterns, not one-offs. Track engagement. UTM parameters on every link. Compare AI-generated versus human-written. Most teams see equal or better engagement. Iterate the prompt. Every 2 weeks, review your best-performing campaigns. Update Claude system prompt with patterns that worked. The prompt is a living document. Calendar reminder, every other Friday, 15 minutes. Huge ROI. For hops. For metrics. Hop 1, content trigger. Hop 2, Claude writes JSON. Hop 3, Canva fills templates. Hop 4, channels publish. Cost, $1.41 all-in versus $380 manual. 99.6% reduction. Time, 90 seconds versus 2 to 5 days. From days to seconds. Quality, brand consistent, spell checked, multi-language ready. Human approval optional. Scale, 100 campaigns for $141. Same Zap. No additional headcount. You built a marketing automation engine. Claude writes, Canva designs, Zapier orchestrates. You approve. That's the playbook. 27 slides, every connection. Every prompt, every API call, every error fix. Now 3 things. Each takes 5 seconds. 1. Subscribe at youtube.com/@Dr. A new AI automation deep dive every week. 2. Press the bell. Pick all notifications so you don't miss the next episode. 3. Comment the word marketing below. I'll DM you the complete pack: Zapier template, Claude prompt, Canva starter templates, cost calculator. Share this with your team before you build your first Zap. I'm Dr. Ibrar Ahmed. See you in the next deep dive. Allah Hafiz.